Hello everybody, today I'm going to make coconut bread. This is one of my favorite baked bread recipes. Hope you enjoy it. Flour, yeast, milk, egg, salt, sugar. Add butter. Knead the dough for about 12 minutes with a bread machine, then let it rest for about 30 minutes. Coconut, powdered sugar, milk, butter, egg. Then mix well. Now the dough is ready. Cut the dough into 4 equal pieces. Gently roll it. Put the coconut mixture, then pinch the edges to seal it. Gently roll it again. Cut the piece 12 times. Then turn over each piece like so. Put it into a baking pan and let it rest for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, brush egg. Decorate them if you want. Bake for about 12 minutes at 350 degrees. Now they are done. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you next time.